are studying about components of GIS. So I already explained 3 components in the previous video and I read out the 4th component in previous video. So I'm going to explain the 4th component, that is methods. Okay. So the GIS technique consists of many tasks. Okay, and each task, okay, each task models and operating practices of each task are unique. Okay, so that's why GIS technique requires a well designed plan. Okay, so various techniques are used for map creation. We know that the final product of GIS technique is a map. So for that map creation, various techniques are used. Okay, and it can be and this map can be used for any project also. Further use is there. We are preparing those maps for some purpose, no, for getting some information, no. So that information can be utilized for any other project. Okay, so various techniques are involved in it. Then the third point explains the method adopted for map creation. So this you will study later in this module, so you just understand that. So for creation of map we can use automated raster method, vector creator method, or manually vectorized using scanned images. So these are the various techniques which can be used for map creation. So the detail of that you will study later in this module. Okay, so you just understand it. That's it. Next is the 5th component, that is people. It includes technical specialists, users and viewers. So technical specialist means person who design and service GIS, that is the person who made GIS work. And the next is users, people like engineers and scientists uses GIS for research and analysis. Viewers, common people who use GIS for daily application like planning a trip and all. So I know that this does not require any further information. From reading itself you can understand. So you have to keep in mind that 3 peoples are associated with GIS. First is technical specialist, the second is users, and the third is viewers. Okay, and the users includes us, that is engineers and scientists. They use GIS for their research and analysis. Okay, next is the last component of GIS, that is network. With rapid development of IT today, the most fundamental of this is probably the network, without which no rapid communication or sharing of digital information could occur. So GIS today relies heavily on the internet, acquiring and sharing large geographic data sets. Okay, so network is very important, that is internet is very important. So without internet we can't run GIS technique. So network is very important. So beginning of this section, that is components of GIS, starting of the components of GIS, I just explained network as the combination of the above 5 components. It's not like that, it's a mistake of mine. So network means internet. So without internet GIS technique is not possible. So I hope you understand the components of GIS. Thank you.